Alright, here's a nice multiplication question. We have 5 and 1/11 times 4 and 1/12 times 3 and 7/16 times 2 and 2/35. Now the 1/11 doesn't reduce, the 1/12 doesn't reduce, the 7/16 doesn't reduce, and the 2/35 doesn't reduce. Okay, if it did, we would. Next step is I want to get rid of these mixed numbers. We cannot multiply mixed numbers. We need to convert them to improper fractions. To convert to improper fractions, remember the 11 is going to multiply the 5, and that's going to give us 55, and then we're going to add that way. So 55 plus 1 is 56/11ths, and then the 12 is going to multiply the 4, and we get 48 plus 1, and that's 49/12ths. The 3 is going to multiply the 16, that's 48 plus 7 is 55/16ths, and over here the 35 multiplies the 2, and that's 70, plus 2 is 72/35ths. Okay, now we want to reduce any top with any bottom. We've established that the top and bottoms aren't going to reduce, so any top with any bottom. The first thing I'm going to go for is 11 and the 55. 11 goes into 11 once, 11 goes into 55 5 times. Okay, so I put a little 5 there. The 12 goes into 12 once, and the 12 goes into 72 6 times, so I put a little 6 here. After that, nothing that is obvious, fully reducing with the tops, but look at 56 and 16. 56 is 7 times 8, and 16 is 2 times 8. So 8 goes into 56 and 16, so I'm going to do that. So 8 goes into 56 7 times, 8 goes into 16 2 times. So I'm dividing them both by 8. Think of it that way. 49 and 35 are both divisible by 7, so divide by 7, we get 7. Divide 35 by 7, we get 5. Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite all this. You don't have to actually do that. Our next step, you could just simply start reducing the 2 and the 6, the 5 and the 5, and then multiply the next. So you don't really, I'm just writing this just to be clear. Alright, as I just mentioned, the 2 and the 6 are going to reduce. Okay, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times, and these 5s will totally cancel. Okay, 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 5 once. So we're left with 7 times 7 times 3, which is, well, 7 times 7 times 1 times 3, which is 147, divided by 1, which is still 147. And that's our final answer. Have a good day.